I'm going to make a dish that reminds me of home. Being a true blue Bombay girl, staying away from Mumbai has been one of the hardest things I've had to do. Now, Mumbai is known for two things: Bollywood and street food. So, the dish I'm making today takes me right back to Juhu Beach. Pav Bhaji! This deliciously buttery gravy served with pav or bread will hit all the right spots and leave you wanting more. So without wasting any more time, let's go make this pav bhaji. I'm going to start by adding just about a tablespoon of oil into the hot pan. The next thing that goes in is what gives pav bhaji its soul: butter. And we are going to add a lot of it. When the butter melts, add about 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. When the ginger garlic becomes fragrant, add 2 onions that are finely chopped. Saute the onions till they cook and become translucent, and then add the chopped green pepper. Now when the green peppers cook, you must add a dollop of butter and then add the powder spices: 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 2 to 3 teaspoons of red chilli powder. Mix them in nicely till completely incorporated. Next, we are going to add the most important ingredient, which is the special Pav Bhaji Masala. Now, you can find this masala in almost any Indian store. Let the masala roast for about a minute and then add the puree of about 3 tomatoes. Let the puree cook till everything becomes nice and bubbly, and then add the salt. When the onions, tomatoes, and the green peppers get nicely roasted in the masalas, we'll then add the mashed potato. With the help of a masher, mash everything nicely till the potatoes become smooth and lump free. Now add 2 cups of hot water. Here I'm using the water that I had used to blanch the tomatoes. bhaji with some raw chopped onions, some coriander leaves, a wedge of lime, and don't forget that dollop of butter. Smells so delicious. Time to dig in. So incredibly tasty, just like you get it in Mumbai. Make sure you try this recipe at home and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Please like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to Mustard Tempered Dreams.